Orderful is the fastest way to trade EDI. Today, we are going to walk through a retail workflow from start to finish and show you how Orderful does EDI different from legacy EDI providers. Let's go ahead and click on our integration assistance. With a legacy EDI solution, you might be familiar with the idea of custom mapping, where for every document type and every trading partner, a custom map must be created. However, with Orderful, we do away with the idea of custom mapping entirely and support just one integration per document type. Let's go ahead and choose our 850 purchase order that we would be receiving from our trading partners, as well as choose all of our trading partners that we would be receiving this document from. Orderful is taking each one of our trading partners' guidelines and taking all of their required segments and elements to compile into the superset JSON payload that you see on your screen. This payload will be utilized to build the integration from your system of record to Orderful's API. Now let's assume we have our integration built so we can move on to the testing and validation process. With a legacy EDI provider, this is done asynchronously over email and takes days to weeks or possibly months. However, with Orderful, you are able to validate transactions in real time against your trading partner's guidelines. Let's go ahead and click on this 856 that we are sending over to Amazon. We see that it's failed validation, so we're trying to pass invalid information based on Amazon's guideline. We also see that the delivery status is pending, as Orderful is never going to deliver an invalid transaction to your trading partner. With being a self-service platform, you have the ability to come in and write rules to fix validations errors when they occur. Clicking on our Rules Editor tab, we're able to see the error and what exactly Amazon is expecting. In this case, Amazon expects to receive a 4-digit year, but checking out our payload, we're only seeing 2 digits in the JSON. Orderful has invested in AI technology that will suggest a rule for you, or you can manually write the rule. Today, we're going to use our AI rule suggestion tool and let our Orderful AI come up with the rule for us. We see the rule populate, and we'll go ahead and apply this rule. This rule has been saved, and now Orderful is going back through the payload and back through Amazon's guidelines to either pass or fail this transaction. Now we see that the 856 has been validated and delivered to our trading partner. Every future 856 that we send to Amazon, this rule will apply. So rule writing is really a one-time activity that we do during testing and validation. You have been working with Orderful's JSON this entire time, but you are able to toggle over and see the X12 message that Amazon would have received. Coming back to our transaction dashboard, we see the visibility that Orderful gives to every transaction flowing in and out of your EDI environment. Simple color coding for validation, delivery, and acknowledgement statuses, as well as the ability to filter out by a specific date range, specific transaction types, specific trading partners, or anything else you see on your screen. Orderful also supports all communication channels out of the box. Your trading partner is expecting to receive this EDI document via a specified communication channel, like an AS2, SFTP, or FTP server. This is all infrastructure that Orderful has out of the box that you don't have to worry about building, buying, or maintaining. Orderful does EDI differently. We digitize your trading partner's guidelines and support just one integration per document type and do away with custom mapping entirely. We validate transactions in real time and have designed the UI to be a self-service platform where you are able to leverage the rules engine and AI rule suggestion tool to write rules to resolve validation errors when they occur. We also provide visibility into every transaction flowing through the platform and support all communication channels out of the box. We thank you for your time today and look forward to continuing the conversation.